Hello guys, I'm back. This time I'm going to show how to assemble this cheaper shredder by Earthwise. So I bought this because I want to use the branches that I cut off from our shrubs and our trees and turn it into a compost for my garden. It's a corded electric chipper. This is the GS70015 15 amp. I got this at Amazon for $153.99 plus tax. Originally $219.99, so it's 30% off as of this day, February 3rd, 2023. So let's start assembling. As you can see, I already unboxed and laid out everything on the floor. I already checked if all the parts is complete. The first step of assembling process is installing the legs. But before installing, make sure the shredder body is positioned upside down by turning it over. Now grab 4 flange bolts and the left and right leg. Attach the left and right legs using these bolts. So what I did first is I put on the first leg and connect it with a flange bolt enough to hold on the legs, and then repeat the process on the other side. So once I connected both of the legs, then I tightened it after using the hex key end of the combo socket hex key wrench that is provided along with all the parts. So I made sure everything is tight and secure. So now that I'm done attaching the leg and everything is tight and secure, now it's time to grab the axle. So in here, I removed the insert axle from the axle tube, then inserted the axle insert in one of the hole from the leg. Once the insert axle passed the hole, I inserted back the insert axle into the tube, then slide all the way to the other hole. Now, grab your washers and insert them into the insert axle. After that, I grabbed the spacer and also put it into the insert axle. Then install the wheels, add one more washer, and install hex nut over the threaded ends of the axle. So I repeated the process on the other side as I just removed the hex nut over the threaded ends of the axle. So once I connected both of the wheels, I tightened the hex nuts by rotating socket wrenches, which is provided in the box in opposite directions. Now that I securely installed the wheels, now it's time to put the wheel covers into the wheels to cover the ends of the axle. So it says in the instruction manual that you can use a hammer to sit them securely over the axle, but I just used my hand to secure them. The cover is made out of plastic and I'm afraid that it may crack once I tap them using a hammer. So now that I'm done installing the legs in the wheel, I can turn it over. Now it's time to grab the hopper and the hopper ring. Then I just snap the hopper ring onto hopper ring securely. Now that I securely snap the hopper ring onto the hopper, next, I fit the hopper onto the upper feeding chute. Next, I attach the buckle to the retainer in the upper chute. I fasten the buckles on both sides and make sure the hopper is placed correctly and securely. Now down to the last part of the assembly, I installed the collection box by pushing it into the frame beneath the shredder body. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope I made it easy for you in assembling this cheaper shredder. I will post a video soon about this and how it went. For more upcoming videos and to help my channel grow, please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye.